Hey guys, so quick video how you can reset your TCL AC remote. So there are two things that you can try to do, right? The first thing is you want to power down your AC, turn off your AC unit, unplug it from the power source. This will ensure that you stay safe while working on the unit. Locate the reset button. Most air conditioning units have a reset button located near the outside of the unit. Usually a small button located inside a small hole. You can check in the manual, I don't know what kind of you got. Hold down the reset button, use a pen or paper clip to press and hold down the reset button for at least 5 seconds. And then you can want to just restore the power to your AC. Once you have held down the reset button for 5 seconds, you can release it and plug your unit back in the power source. Also, important thing is that you can check, I don't know what kind of remote you got, but maybe from the top or on the bottom of it, you can find the reset button. So look around, I don't know what you have, but for the TCL, look also like taking out the batteries for like 2 minutes, then putting the batteries back in. Maybe that is going to also help you reset the remote. So try that, maybe it's going to fix it. Or if you can find actually the reset button on the remote, because some remotes got it. So take out the batteries and put them back in. Maybe that is going to help you to reset it.